Hey there, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this SOG Aegis FL folding pocket knife. SOG makes a couple of different models of the Aegis, and they make a regular one that is a little higher end. It sells in the $70 type price range, and this Aegis FL is budget price, sells for around the $25 price range. It's just a nice little solid utility piece by SOG. Could be used for a wide variety of functions, including camping, fishing, hunting, utility, or just a nice EDC that you wouldn't have to worry about losing or beating up on if you so desired. It's a nice heavy duty piece. It is full stainless steel. It has a blade material of 8CR13 MOV. It's just a nice solid piece. Has dual ambidextrous thumb stud opening. Opens very nicely. Has nylon washers on the pivot. Open back handle design with two black anodized pillars. It is a mid-size piece as opposed to the full Aegis that is a little longer, bigger in size. But this one's a little smaller, the FL. It is 7.9 inches overall length with a blade length of 3.38 inches and a closed length of 4.6 inches. It's a clip point blade design with a flat grind, plain edge. It's got a stone wash finish, both the blade and the handle, stainless steel handle. Has a sharpening choil. Heavy jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade. Fits my large to extra large hand very well. I can get my little finger nicely around the butt of the handle. Comes in with a little heft, 5.1 ounce weight. The stainless steel handle has some sculpturing on it. And it's a frame lock. It has heavy jimping and a nice extended piece to really be able to get to the lock very nicely. Has a nice detent. This sample that I have in front of me, the blade centering is perfect. Has black anodized highlights on the screws and the pivot screw heads and the thumb studs. And it has a black stainless steel carrying clip that sits deep in the pocket. It's a tip-up carry design with a right hand only clip placement. The blade is 0.13 inches thick. Just a nice utilitarian piece by SOG. Comes in around the $25 price point. Very solid. Certainly could be used for some heavier functions. So there we go, everybody. It is the SOG Aegis FL. Full stainless steel folding pocket knife. All right. Oh, let me do a cut test before I finish up here. Cuts very nice. Opens and closes very nicely. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.